Fibroid is one of the common problems faced by women, and it is seen in almost 40% of the women during their reproductive age group, depending on where they are located, the size and the number. Hi, I am Dr. Nandita Dubey. I am a gynecologist, a laparoscopic surgeon and a robotic surgeon. I am in practice for more than last 20 years, and I am also the founder director of Mitra Hospital. Fibroids typically present themselves in the form of menstrual disorders. Sometimes they might have heavy flow, painful flow, or sometimes it might be associated with clots. But primarily fibroids can also grow a lot, and purely because of the huge mass of the fibroid, there might also be a variation in their presentation. It can present itself in the form of pressure symptoms. So pressure, as in I'm trying to say that pressure on the bladder, and depending on that they might experience increased frequency in the urination, or sometimes they might have difficulty emptying the urine. And if the pressure falls back behind, that means on the motion back, then sometimes they can also have difficulty in evacuating their stools. But what we don't know is that sometimes fibroids are asymptomatic, which means they are there but they do not present any symptoms, and these are those fibroids which will be typically picked up during a sonography. And these fibroids, for these kind of fibroids, we actually offer no treatment. The only thing which we want these women to do is observe them for every year, and also all those symptoms which I just happened to have mentioned before in my talk, if these symptoms are observed, and an annual sonography itself is more than a treatment part for these kind of asymptomatic fibroids. So fibroid treatment, coming to fibroid treatment, I would like to harp here on one thing, that when we say we treat fibroid medically, when we take medicines for the symptoms caused by this fibroid, as in the pain factor or the bleeding factor, they will only take care of these symptoms. These medicines will not make the fibroids disappear, they will always stay. So the job here for the medicines is to take care of the symptoms caused because of it. So now coming to the surgical treatment part, fibroids can be treated or are treated surgically for those who need actually the treatment by a laparoscopic surgery, and robotic has come a long way and has given real promising results in the treatment for fibroids. The another thing which I wanted to harp on is fibroid surgery once done, there is always a chance for the fibroid to recur. So once a surgery done, there is also a need for that particular person to do an annual sonography, besides also taking care of the menstruation chart to look for any trouble in their menstrual pattern, and an annual sonography. Even if this much is followed all along, I think they should be smooth sailing as far as the fibroid trouble is concerned.